Good morning, y'all. Welcome out to the patio. Today I want to sit down and share with you my weekly prep. So I've already done some decoration on my planner, and what I'm about to go through is strictly just some time management and how I go about planning my week out. So welcome to the patio. Pull up a nice cup of coffee. We've got, you can't see my coffee because I've got it zoomed in. I do have my coffee. I am in my pajamas, as always. I love the patio. If you're interested in some quick time management, just tips and tricks, please stick around to watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when other videos come in. So, reading glasses are on. I actually have my glasses. So some of the things I'm gonna need, of course, are my planner, just your favorite ballpoint pen. I use a highlighter and 2 colored pens to kind of help with color coding. I don't do as much color coding anymore because we're empty nesters. It's just me and my husband. I tend to just write everything in ink. But let's get started. So I'm gonna start with my weekly housekeeping inserts, and that's where I try to start each week. So for this coming week, I am gonna be off on Wednesday, and I am gonna be off on Thursday. Now these, when I cut them and punched them, I cut them perfect, I punched them backwards. So they're a little bit, why did I mark Thursday? Y'all see, this is why you can print them and you can tear it out, because I don't like mistakes. Okay, so Wednesday. I'm not off on Thursday, I'm off on Sunday. And I'm off on Sunday. Okay, so this week I'm gonna have guests over on Sunday evening, so I'm gonna put just a little star there because I want to make sure that I have some extra little house cleaning done. Now these 3 at the top are my dailies. I do those pretty much every day. Some things that I want to ensure though that are extra done is Sunday morning when I get up. I want to make sure my kitchen's really clean. I want to do a quick pass through in my living room and dining room just to make sure that they're ready for guests. I'm going to take care of that guest bedroom because, you know, we're grown-ups and alcohol will be involved, and I may have house guests that evening. I also want to make sure that my office stays pretty neat and clean. So my purple dots are going to be do these things before you go to work. And I'm gonna just run through that office one more time that morning before I go to work. And then I'm also going to just hit it one last time Saturday night before I go to bed, because I have a feeling I'll make a little bit of a mess. So this week, purple is my morning task, and green is gonna be my evening task because my schedule's a little bit messed up. Look, I just cannot write today, so we're gonna make that G into an E because I don't know, I'm not up yet, I guess. Master bathroom. Absolutely have got to get that master bathroom cleaned up because it's been neglected. You know, the last few weeks I've just been not really, I don't know, just not feeling my time management, and I think we all get into those kind of funks. It's been a lot of change going on, and I just haven't been dealing with it well for some reason. Typically I'm good with change. Change is fun. Change is exciting. It just, I don't know. I've just not been feeling it the way I typically do, and that's just thrown me kind of off my game this week. Let's see, we'll get casual clothes this day. I think he's gonna be out of town Monday and Tuesday. He'll probably be home Wednesday night. So I'm just gonna put a reminder for Wednesday night before I go to bed to make sure that I get his stuff done. So this one, I'm actually gonna ask him to make sure the patio's clear. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'm not filling the fountains yet because the weather's been too funky, and even though we're not supposed to get below freezing with the funky weather, the fountains have been insane on my patio. I want to do a quick pass through in the kitchen. These, we're gonna deep clean those that day. I'm probably going to just do a little extra decluttering and cleaning these days. We'll get the guest bath really good this day, and then we'll hit it one more time before I go to bed. And that takes care of my house. So, just quick, easy, gives me a point of reference. I can kind of look at it, check off what it is that I do. So, now to the fun. I've already pulled my planner pages out for the week. And I've already laid a little bit of washi and everything that I'm going to be needing to get done and do. So, for the week, let's see, I don't believe I have any real major tasks going on, so I have my little weekly cheat sheet. I believe on Friday, before I go home from work, I want my reviews for my BAs done, and I want my self-review done. They're actually due on Monday, but when I have deadlines that are time sensitive, I try to go out a couple of days ahead of time just in case something crazy happens. So I've already dropped in my work schedule. I've already dropped in some of my stickers that I like. These are new. Oh, where did I get these? Amber Sticker Shop, I believe. She makes these little headers, the little work, and I'll double check that, and I'll drop a link to her Etsy shop in there. But I was laying washi tape and then just writing home to kind of keep my home to-do list separate from my work stuff, because I like to carry one planner that has everything for my master in it. So let's start with Mondays. Every Monday at 3 o'clock, I have a district call. Okay, I need my weekly reviews done. I need my sales lead accountability done. I need the productivity board done. I need, what else is a major Monday task? It's not a payroll week, so I don't need to approve payroll. I need to update POS notices. So what I'll do Monday, when I sit down Monday morning, I'll decide, is this a task I need to get done, or is it a task that I can delegate out to somebody? We need to make sure floor set. Oh, what am I going to call that? We're just going to call them the boxes, because it's a ton of boxes that came in yesterday. Are checked in and ready. Make sure none of the stuff is broken. I'll probably do that today, but I need to have it done by tomorrow at the latest. I need to check on a background that I submitted. Background. Let's see who works Monday with me. Monday is going to be week 4. So I have Hannah, Alyssa, and Dom, and that's going to be on the 22nd. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do touch bases with Hannah. I'm going to do a touch base with ALY Alyssa, and I'm going to do a touch base with Dom. Oh, and I also have, why do I have so many people working that day? And then, oh, because they're working short shifts. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a touch base with Kia that day. I'm gonna need to stop on my way home to get dog food. I'm gonna need to upload this video that I'm filming. Let's see. And then of course tomorrow I'll continue to add to the list a little bit. Tuesday, I want to block off review time. And I also need to see, I'm gonna mark a line there. Kia added for Tuesday, so I can get some uninterrupted time in to get that stuff done. So I need to check and see if she'll be available so I can work on reviews. So Tuesday, I also want to declutter my hall closet before I come to work. I have guests coming that are going to be staying for a little while, and I need to rearrange some things out of my guest room closet. Let's see, Wednesday. So Wednesday's main focus is going to be the house cleaning. So I went ahead and I already blocked off some time to work with my Instagram, my YouTube, just my personal stuff that I find enjoyable. And then from 11 to 2, I'm going to take care of housework. And that will be my main focus. I also need to check on William's watch that day to see if that's good. Thursday, I don't have any conference calls done. I don't have any major reviews due. By Thursday, I try to have all my work-related tasks done before I go into peak. We've already done schedules. What else kind of stuff is due? Thursday, I need to review floor set. I need to get an offer letter out. Okay, and Friday we're going into normal. Do I have any sales coming up? I don't have any new sale promos coming in for them that I'm aware of. Saturday I usually jot my list down as I go. Sunday I'm going to be doing gumbo. And do I need to shop for tonight? So I need to make a list. So I'm going to do my next week prep first thing in the morning. 9 o'clock on a Sunday should be a good time. So I want to go to the grocery store. By 4, I want to start my setup, and that brings me through. So for the week, you can see I kind of just jotted down the things I need to get done. Also, I want to Wednesday, I want to do a quiet dinner with my husband. The weather's going to be decent. think maybe we'll barbecue some steaks. He enjoys that. It's been a while since we grilled, so that's something that's kind of just on my personal goals, is to spend more quality time with my husband. And what else am I gonna get done? Anything major? I need to get some Zelda time in. FaceTime with the grandbaby. I like to do that on my day off because I can be lazy with it. All right. So you can kind of see I just jotted down the big major things that I need to do. I'll probably add to it a little bit this evening once I get to work and I look at the work schedule to see what's going on and just kind of move from there with it. Oh, I do know what I forgot. See, this is why I put little stickers down. Go Wild tickets go on sale today, so I need to review what's drafted. And I need to review the budget for the next 6 weeks. Just to make sure that I don't cut myself short and I don't overspend, so I'm not able to have the money that I need in May when Go Wild takes place. So that's kind of just a quick overview of what it is that I do on a Sunday morning when I'm kind of planning my week out. Now keep in mind, I've always said lay your stickers, lay your washi. You know, that's the decorative time to plan. That's not going to be part of my time when I sit down and I really think about what my time management stuff is that needs to be done and what it is that I'm going to have going on then. So the pages that I'm using are the Franklin Covey Day on 2 pages. I like the Franklin Covey inserts in the Foxy Fix personal planner because the pages are a little bit wider and it gives me more room to write, and it's also easy to write in them when it's open. So that is how I approach my Sunday morning scheduling. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a quick message. If you're interested in seeing any other kind of videos or you have ideas for something you'd like to learn more about, please feel free to reach out to me. Until then, remember, we all got a plan and we all do it a little bit different. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, hit subscribe. If you click the little bell, hopefully the next video that'll be going up is the Foxy Fix spiced rings in pepper. So the new binder will be coming out. I'm just waiting on my shipping notice. So until then, y'all have fun and thanks for spending some time with me this morning.